started our journey to Napittachora Waterfall. We decided to go to Napittachora first because the trail is very nice and it's not very hard to go to the waterfall. So we took a bus to go to Napittachora, and it's maybe we arrived maybe before noon, and that time it was very strong sun. It was very nice walking way through the village. Then we found the trail and we found the ticket counter to go to the national park, and then the trail started. The trail was so nice, so beautiful trail. And we found some tribal people who were showering there, washing their dishes. We talked to them, we took a lot of photos, and the water through the trail was very refreshing and very cold. We ate our food there and we kept walking. Hi guys! There were some trail like cave. We took a lot of photos. We did some live videos also. Then we went to the waterfall and we took shower. We almost everyone took shower there, and it was so refreshing shower. We slept. We laid down on the stones, and water was touching us very softly and passing us by. It was so comfortable feeling. We can't explain by words. After showering, we kept walking to another step of the Napittachora waterfall. We went to the top. Then we came back from the Napittachora waterfall, and our next destination is Kupyakatakum waterfall. We heard that Kupyakatakum is one of the most beautiful waterfall in this area, and before Kupyakatakum waterfall we were very tired and hungry, so we went to a restaurant. After having our lunch and confirming all our meals, we started walking to the national park, and on the gate of national park there was a bad news waiting for us. Now the Kupyakatakum waterfall is also under the National Park Authority. So the ticket counter guy told us that we cannot camp there because it requires a lot of permissions and stuff. So we are almost unable to camp there. But fortunately, the counter guy was so friendly. He helped us a lot. He wanted to help us to camp somewhere beautiful place in Chittagong Jilla. Then he talked to his friend who is working in Mahamaya Lake, and he confirmed our camping in Mahamaya Lake. To go to Mahamaya Lake, we went there by evening. Then sun is almost set, and we went to Mahamaya Lake. We put a tent there and we did camping there. We found some other people are also doing camping in Mahamaya Lake. We did our tent little away from them, and after us there were also some people who were doing fishing, and they also had a lot of arrangements to do fishing, and some other people were also camping there, so a lot of people camped there. Mahamaya Lake is one of the biggest lake in Chittagong. They offered us dinner, midnight barbecue and breakfast in the morning. So we had dinner, and again Mr. Nahid sang some beautiful song for us. We had some fun there. Some of our team members went to the fishing guys, talked a lot, shared some experience with them. Some of our team members also wanted to do fishing, but they could not. And in the midnight they offered us barbecue chicken, but some of us already sleeping that time, so few of our team members, we had to finish all the barbecue chickens. It was a little bit pressure for us, and after a lot of meals we went to sleep. It was very nice sleeping there, and in the morning we are very ready to go back to our home. It's already 4th day in Chittagong. We can't wait to go back to our home then. So we are getting ready to close our tents and packing our backpack and going back to home. So it was a very, very, very nice journey to Chittagong district, and I believe you will also love to visit Chittagong Jilla. So visit Chittagong Jilla or district, whatever you say, not for a day trip. Take some time to visit this district. It has a lot of things to offer you, and you will love to visit this district.